Hey guys, this is Jimmy from Jimmy's DIY. It's been a while since I recorded a video, so my friend had an issue with his tire which went flat. So you know what? I'm gonna help him out so he doesn't have to go into any shop and get this tire fixed. Looks like we might have about 3 flats in here. I know at this point you should be replacing a tire, but I mean the tire still have a depth right here. Let me go closer here. So the tires still have grooves. So we figured that fix it for now and let the summer come in before we replace the tire. At this time, you can probably see the tire is totally flat. What we need to do is we need to fill this tire up and with the air, and then you're gonna need some common tools like a plier, a plug, and a plug kit. Basically, this is a slime plug kit which I picked up from AutoZone for about $5, and a flathead screwdriver. So what we're going to do is we're going to fill the air in the tire about 35 psi, and then we're going to lift up the nails right here, one of the most visible nails here, this one, and then there are a few. So we're going to use that, pry up a little bit, and take them out with the plier. And once we plug them, we also need soapy water that we could use to spray to test it. So I did forget to bring my soapy water spray, which I'll bring in here. So let's get started. I'm just gonna quickly go in and fill the air in the tire, and after that we could get started here. Here you can see it's gonna bubble up right here. That's how we test it basically, and we're gonna take this out. What we need to do is I'm just gonna pry this nail out a little bit, and once I can get a grip on this, what I want to do is I want to get this start moving a little bit before I do anything. Alright, so now I could get my grip going. What we need to do is prepare our plug so we can plug this. You basically need to take this plug tool, feed this plug through this thing. I know I shouldn't be using these gloves to do it, but I don't want to get my hands dirty, but here we go. Halfway through, and just gonna hold it, push it down like this. Take this out, and you're going to take this and fork it through. Basically what you're doing is you're clearing out the rubber, and you're going to take it inside the tire as much as you can and clear it out. Once it's cleared out, go up and down a couple of times and take it out and put the plug in. And you're going to take the plug in as much as you can before you yank it out. So I got the plug in. Alright, so you can see here it's very much like, I would say like very little left, about an inch left on both sides, and I'm gonna just yank it out at this point. The plug is in, and we're gonna test it if this is fixed. So I see no leak here. There's no bubbling up here on the side or this side. That means we were successfully able to patch this tire up. Well, not patch, but plug it. So technically, once you have a plug, you could, if this is not permanent, you should actually go get this fixed from a tire shop. Basically, they patch it from inside. That's what you want to do. But this tire we're gonna replace in about 3 months. So at this point, we're just gonna cut this plug off and not worry about it.